Hey guys, Y Miller Farm and Toy here, and what you're looking at is my temporary photo taking area, I guess. I set up on my desk. I just have a lamp, and that's the last picture I took, and that's all the equipment I took pictures of, all the tractors and stuff, and then the couple trailers and the more semis and trailers and pickups over here. And I just wanted to say thanks for watching. I can do individual in-depth reviews of anything you request, and videos of the farm setup will be uploaded soon. Alright, enjoy this video.